Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning,
I
ma'am.
had seen you, Chalan, or you had seen me. Now, this is the first class we are going to meet each other, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, first, let's start with your roll call from section A, then B. If you all have joined.
Morning, ma'am.
Are you all ready to give me attendance, Chalan?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Section A, I'm starting with Chalan.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll call first I'll do because this is the first class.
Ma'am, A and B section are
A and B only.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ahana Mahanti,
Present,
Good morning, ma'am.
Aditi Nayak, Adya Samanti,
ma'am.
Ahana Patnaik,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavna, Irapti,
Present, ma'am.
Namrata,
Present, ma'am.
Nirali,
Present, ma'am.
Purvasa, Purvasa, are you there? Okay. Ritika Nayak,
Present, ma'am.
Samidha,
Present, ma'am.
Shruti Rekha,
Present, ma'am.
Tipra, Smruti Parna,
Present, ma'am.
Ritika,
Present, ma'am.
Suchi Lagna,
Present, ma'am.
Shorupa Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Akanksha Adidev, Adarsh Ansuman,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Narayan Barik, Aditya Nayak, Aditya Nayak, are you there? Amrit Panda,
Present, ma'am.
Anubhav Puan,
Present, ma'am.
Abhiram Sahu,
Present, ma'am.
Ayushman Das,
Present, ma'am.
Ayushman Sahu, Diptanshu Parida,
Present, ma'am.
Divyanshu Ranjan Sahu,
Present, ma'am.
Hilit,
Present, ma'am.
Arpit,
Present, ma'am.
Manas Panda,
Present, ma'am.
Nikhil Nayak,
Present, ma'am.
Nishit,
Present, ma'am.
Om Prakash,
Present, ma'am.
Partha Sarathi, Piyush Prayanshu,
Present, ma'am.
Prabhu Datta,
Present, ma'am.
Pratyas,
Present, ma'am.
Priya,
Present, ma'am.
Pulen,
Present, ma'am.
Shai Kamal,
Present, ma'am.
Samir Shetty,
Present, ma'am.
Shravan,
Present, ma'am.
Das,
Present, ma'am.
Das,
Present, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Siddharth Shankar Singh, are you there? Singh, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Mohan Mahanti,
Present, ma'am.
Shautik Mathan,
Present, ma'am.
Shomi Roshan Bera, Surya Prakash,
Present, ma'am.
Tapan,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Dhanraj, Aditya Dhanraj, are you there? Abhijit Mante,
Present, ma'am.
Shamik Shah,
Present, ma'am.
Pratik Kumar Ranvira, Pratik Kumar Ranvira, are you present? Anyhow, let's go to section B now. Be a little fast, children. Vijay Darshini, Gargi,
Present, ma'am.
Ipshita, are you there?
Ma'am.
Ishika,
Present, ma'am.
Madhusmita,
Present, ma'am.
Alishka,
Present, ma'am.
Dashri, Dashri, okay, Pragya Paramita,
Present, ma'am.
Preeti Priyambada,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka Nayak,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka Nayak.
Present, ma'am.
How will I differentiate these two, Priyanka Nayak? Can you give me any specification or difference?
Ma'am, roll number is the only thing.
11.
Only roll
Yes,
number
ma'am.
is the difference.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Both the names are same.
let me make it Priyanka Nayak A, Priyanka Nayak B. That would be perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka Nayak A. Who is Priyanka Nayak A?
Ma'am, roll number 11. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Priyanka Nayak B now. Roll number 12. Right? Okay. Priyanshi Panda.
Present, ma'am.
Priyanshi Pradhan. Okay, Shankalpa Mahanti.
Present, ma'am.
Shruti Smita Kishan.
Present, ma'am.
Siddhi Tripathi. Shraddha Bishi. Shreya Mishra.
Present, ma'am.
Amar Chauhan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Aniket Sahu.
Ma'am, here second TC.
Who is taken TC? Aniket Sahu.
Yes.
Okay, because
Yes, ma'am.
are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
From
ma'am.
class.
Still there in the batch list. That is why I'm asking. Okay, okay. Let me write down TC. That is why
Ma'am,
I'm not
depending
appeared
roll
in
number.
Okay, Byamkesh,
Yes, ma'am.
Chinmay,
Ma'am, due to some network problem, I'll restart now. Sorry, ma'am. Ipshita
not an
Das.
issue, not an issue. Let's move forward, Chalan. Chinmay, Chinmay, are you there? Diptansu,
Sir, here, ma'am, he has also taken TC.
oh, Diptansu.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why not test appeared. Okay, okay. Dhanraj, sorry, Dhananjay.
Present, ma'am.
Even Dhananjay, you have not appeared any test yet. Already 6 tests over, you have not appeared a single test. Jyotiraditya Sahu,
Present, ma'am.
Lipun Bishoy,
Present, ma'am.
Mohak,
Present, ma'am.
Laban,
Present, ma'am.
Priyansu,
Present, ma'am.
Ryan,
Present, ma'am.
Rupam Bhuya, are you present?
Section F.
He is from section F.
Ma'am, section F.
Ma'am, he has changed to section F.
Section F. Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
section F. This is why this is the first class. I was interested to meet you people. You should meet me. Okay. Sai Vignesh,
Present, ma'am.
Satyak Sri, Satyajit,
Present, ma'am.
Satyajit Panta Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Satyartha. Satyartha, are you present? Okay. Somnath Sahu,
Present, ma'am.
Pandan Das,
Present, ma'am.
Shubham Tripathi.
Ma'am, taken TC.
Okay. Taken this.
Ma'am, Siddhi Tripathi also.
Who?
Ma'am, he is his sister. Ma'am, Siddhi Tripathi and Shubham Tripathi. Ma'am, both of them taken TC.
Siddhi Tripathi also TC. Okay. Siddhi Tripathi and Shubham Tripathi. Okay, I marked. Then comes Shubhranshu Palai,
Present, ma'am.
Shubhranshu Murmu, Shamit Panda,
Present, ma'am.
Satvik Mohanty, Swastik Mohanty,
Present, ma'am.
Swayambhuva Padi,
Present, ma'am.
Tushar Lakra.
Present, ma'am.
Have I left anyone else who has taken new admission, children? Have I missed anybody?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I am, ma'am. Ma'am, I Aditya Dhanraj Das.
Aditya Dhanraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me call out who is, I could not get. One is Aditi Nayak. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
Aditi Nayak.
Okay. Purvasa Ray, are you there? Purvasa, I haven't marked you present. Are you there? Okay, Purvasa is not there. Shipra Swagatika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Akanksha Adideva. Are you there, Akanksha Adideva? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Aditya Nayak even absent. Ayushman Shahu absent. Then Partho Sarathy Barik also absent. Then Shubham Kurkia. Okay. Shubham Kurkia is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Partho is also present. Okay. Okay. Pratik Ranvira, are you there? Pratik Ranvira. Children, if you on video and mute your mic, then I'll be clear to you, I hope. Anything you want to ask, you can unmute your closed mic and then you can ask me, okay? Now coming to the doubt question of today's test, number 5. Children, that is regarding your sum of two sides should be more than the third side. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible to you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sum
Yes,
of
ma'am.
two sides should be more than the third side and difference should be less. Am I clear? According to that, what is the case coming here? The third side should be less than 6.5 and more than 3.5. So which option are you getting? Difference is coming 3.5. 5 cm minus 1.5. Okay.
Ma'am.
Am I audible to you, children?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
One side
Yes,
is
ma'am.
5 cm. Will I write it or verbally I'll explain? You tell me.
Verbally.
Ma'am, write it.
Ma'am, please write it.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am, write it.
Okay, look to the board now. I have written the theorem. Of course, I'll explain you later on. Let me start with your doubt. Now, one side is given. Is it visible to you, Chavan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One side equal to
Yes,
5
ma'am.
cm. The other side, second side given to you is 1.5 cm. What is the condition for the third side should be?
Third side should be greater than 6.5.
Third side should be more than the difference. What is the difference coming? 3.5 cm. This is the condition you have to understand. Okay.
Ma'am, more than the sum of difference of the two sides.
Yes. Any doubt, children, in this? This is the condition.
Ma'am, the third side's length should be more than the difference of the two sides.
Yes.
Other two sides.
That is what is the difference coming? That is what I have written here. Just see. 5 minus 1.5. Is it coming 2.5?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
third side should be more than that. More than means it cannot be any length. Can I take 10? No. Then there is a
No, ma'am.
there is a restriction to this. What will be the limit? Then add this two. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
Chavan? It should be 6.5 cm. 5 plus 1.5. Is that clear? And the option will see given 6.9. That is the correct answer. Cannot be. The limitation is 6.5 to 3.5. Is that clear, Chalan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
ma'am.
Any more doubt? That is why when you asked, I just messaged you. I'll clear it in our live class. Still, you find any difficulty in any other question, you can ask me now. So otherwise, we'll move to. Okay, one more thing. After completing triangle chapter, had you gone to quadrilaterals and gone through the videos I have sent? Yes or no, Chalan? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
I given you theorem 1, theorem 2, introduction first. Are you clear about the introduction? That is the very, very important thing to be understood. Have you gone through?
Ma'am, please explain.
How to go on adding one extra feature, and the type of quadrilateral will be decided on the basis of that, right?
Yes,
Am I audible, children?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, will I move to theorem 8.7 now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, look to the book.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is not clearly visible.
Yes, ma'am. It is not.
Yes, ma'am. It is not clearly visible.
Now is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Little blur.
Share with me so that I try to overcome it, okay?
Ma'am, but the letters are blur.
If you zoom it, you'll get it, children.
Ma'am, can you bring the camera to near of like?
Okay. Let me bring it.
Yes, ma'am. Bring the camera closer to the board.
Yes. Yes. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. Now will we proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Theorem 8.7 says, if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. Children, in the previous videos also I have told you, before you go to start proving any theorem, you have to go through 4 steps. Out of these 4 steps, 1 step construction may be avoided if not required. That depends on your requirement. So how will you decide whether construction step will be there or not on the basis of our movement in our proof. And before that, after getting or writing the statement of the theorem, you have to know from this what all are given. This is a general statement given. To be more particular for this, you have to draw the figure, name it, and the concrete names, whatever given according to the statement, to be noted down. Okay? Now draw the figure. Any quadrilateral where the diagonals bisect each other. And here I will like to tell you, the previous theorem is just opposite. Means 8.6 was converse of this. That whatever to be proved was given and whatever given to be proved here. Now draw the figure, children. Name it A, B, C, D. Draw the diagonals where they bisect each other. Name the intersection point, mark, because it is given the diagonals bisect each other. So bisect means AO equal to CO and DO equal to BO. This is what given to you. So let us note it down. What is given? The first step after writing the statement is given. From the figure, note it down what is given to you. ABCD is a quadrilateral. I will not write it. That's not required. Only whatever given part I have to note down from the figure. AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. This is given to you. Now on the basis of this, what are you going to prove? What is to be proven? To prove ABCD is a parallelogram. Is that clear, children? When I use this symbol, are you clear, children? Earlier also I made it clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, before you go to start the proof, you have to see whether we are going to do any construction to prove this or not. On what basis are we going to prove it? When we want to prove this, what is the condition for parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel to each other and equal to each other. These are the conditions. Now to prove that, I have to take two opposite, the same way as we did the previous theorem. We have any questions? Any doubt here?
Ma'am, can we use congruence here?
Yes, you have to use congruency within the given conditions because it is a quadrilateral. It's not given a parallelogram. At the end, we have to prove it is a parallelogram. So what am I going to do? What am I going to take into consideration? Now this side is equal to this side. If I take the opposite, let me mark it to be clear to you. Let me take these two triangles which already I have said it. Is that clear, children? Now I have to decide whether
Yes,
I am going to do any construction or not. Here I don't feel that I have to go for some construction. Why? Here I am going to take congruency to prove the opposite sides are parallel and equal. For that, what congruency will be fitting here? This side equal to this side, this angle, this side equal to this side, and the opposite angles are equal. So
Vertically opposite angles are equal.
yes. Vertically
opposite angles are equal.
Yes. What do we get here, children? SAS is equal to SAS. right? Basing on that, we are going to prove it. Is that clear, Charan?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are we going to do? No construction. Only we will start our proof, right? Start the proof. We will avoid construction step. Directly will go to proof. Now, as we are going to write the congruency, we will take two triangles. And very important point here, children, when you go to prove congruency, a sequence to be maintained. We cannot write the two triangles as we wish. So if I take AOD, and here in the previous theorem also I made it clear, the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. If these two triangles are congruent, opposite to them are equal. Why am I going to mention it? Because we have to show the opposite sides are parallel. For that we will use, but after proving the congruency only. Now in triangle, if I take AOD. Now AOD, if I take, I have to take COB and triangle COB. What do we find, children? AO is equal to CO. For each step, why are you writing it to be mentioned? It is given to you. Write down. Given. Similarly, CO is equal to BO. Why? The same reason again given. Now, the vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle AOD is equal to angle AOD COB. COB. Why? The reason is vertically opposite angles. Now we can conclude from this statement, the steps what we have already shown. These two triangles are congruent. On what criteria? SAS. Triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COB. Why? The reason to be written, SAS condition satisfied. Now from this we have to conclude the angles opposite. We have proved this triangle equal to this triangle. Now about the angles you have to mention. Now in these two triangles, opposite to AO is this. Let me number it 1. Then the other triangle CO opposite to this is this, and this is your angle 2. I hope it is clear to you, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle
Yes, ma'am.
ODA is equal to ODA OBC. OBC. Why? What is the reason here? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. In short, we write CPCT. CPCT. I hope this is all clear to you. Already we have used in the previous theorems.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what
Yes,
are
ma'am.
we going to do? If these two are equal, then implies that AB, this is parallel to this is transversal, this is alternate angle. So AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. Why? Interior,
Alternate interior.
alternate angles are equal.
Interior. Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to prove the other pair. Here we need not prove it once again. We can conclude similarly because already the congruency is proved. According to that, if I number this to be 3 and this to be 4, What do I get, Chalan?
Alternate angles.
Now, and similarly, you have to mention it similarly. You need not prove it once again, all the steps. You can conclude here. Similarly, AB is parallel to CD because of interior alternate angles equal. Interior alternate. Which are interior alternate, Chalan? Here we have not written. Let me write down. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Now earlier we have already proved this triangle congruent to this. So we got AD equal to BC. They are
Yes, ma'am.
parallel also. They are equal also. And if we take the other two left out triangles, they will also be congruent. If they are congruent, AB will be equal to CD. First we have proved they are parallel, then we have to prove they are equal on the basis of congruency. Hence, we can conclude, hence, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, children, the next we can take some examples on the, because you all know when we have in the introduction given you that the extra features added will be going to give you one more new quadrilaterals. Here, exactly for this, one example is for rectangle, one for rhombus, one for square. Here, keeping everything same, if one angle will be equal to 90 degree, we have to prove rest of the angles are 90 degree. Then only it's a rectangle. How will you do it? Can I get any help from you? You feel that map does not know. What would be your answer, Chalan?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Is this
Yes, ma'am.
clear to you? The converse of this also earlier.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me, only one angle of the quadrilateral given to you 90 degree. With this condition, then you have to prove it as a rectangle. How will you prove it to be rectangle? Any idea, or you need explanation by me?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we have to prove all the angles in 90
Angles are 90 degree, ma'am.
How will you prove it? That's what
ma'am,
Hello, ma'am.
ma'am, by using co-interior angle.
Is in co-interior.
one at a time, Chalan, one at a time.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, by using co-interior angle, some of the
Yes.
co-interior angle are supplementary.
Yes, you have to use the two lines. If standing on any line gives you 180 degree or two angles, adjacent angles of any quadrilateral are 180 degree, whereas one angle is 90, the other is 90 degree. If two consecutive angles are 90 degree, then it's a rectangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Equal sides to prove it to be a rhombus. Children, we are going to end our session by 20. Now only 3 minutes left out. If you want any doubt, you ask me, otherwise I'll talk to you. Do you need any clarification here, children?
No, ma'am.
Now I'm not only happy with this program. You tell me how many questions do you answer from your reference books. Minimum 30 to 40 questions per day. and the doubt should be asked me the very next day. Because NCERT is giving you all basics. Basing on that, knowing all the basic things, the implementations are given in the reference book which you have to do. Only doubts I am there to clear. Tell me now if you are doing the reference books questions or not.
Yes.
I'm doing.
Ma'am,
Are you?
Yes, ma'am. Doing.
Tell me what are you?
Yes, ma'am, doing.
Which books are you using? Tell me.
Marty
Ma'am, R.D. Sharma.
R.D. Sharma. R.D. Sharma.
R.D. Sharma.
All of you.
all in one.
No, R.S. Agarwal. No,
R.D. Sharma.
nothing.
R.D. Sharma book.
All in one and R.D. Sharma.
All of you are fine. Lot of questions are there.
SC.
Ma'am, all in one and R.D. Sharma.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Then,
ML
if you
Agarwal.
are facing any problem, children, those who are not having school uniform, you can attend my class with your decent dress. If at least white shirt will be arranged, enough. Some children were having problem, so that I can give you relaxation. Am I clear, children?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No questions when you are joining for the class. You all should be seen with a school uniform. In the case of problem, you can come with some decent dress, children. But try to go for white shirt at least.
Yes, ma'am.
Video.
So will I close today's class? It's already time, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Who is this?
Thank you, ma'am.
Huh? Who's doing vomit?
Ma'am, mistress.
Okay, I want your feedback in our WhatsApp group. You can send me the doubts. I will give you the answers. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Monday, a new timetable will be given to you. You will join according to that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, thank you.
Ma'am, ma'am, then this class will continue tomorrow, ma'am.
Perhaps tomorrow is Sunday, better.
Okay, so next Monday then.
I'll inform you. ये बूढ़ी your मैम कौन हो सकता है?
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
सत्यर्थ कुमार. हाँ, ये बूढ़ी मैम ही है और कौन है?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.